In this video we will install a Gradle build tool. In your favorite browser, find a Gradle official website, click the installation link. Before the installation you need to check that you have a correct Java home variable in the system. We need to check that Java version is 8 or higher. The easiest way to check it is to use a command prompt window. Let's use keyboard commands. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time, type CMD and click the Enter key or click the OK button. Type Java, space, dash and version and press the Enter key. Check that you have required version of JDK. If it is incorrect or is not set at all, then see our video with a JDK installation. Let's download the Gradle distribution. Click download. Then find the latest version available or choose any version you need. Next click binary only. Downloading started. Next click show in folder. Unpack the files. Copy the unpacked folder. Create Gradle folder. Paste the copied folder. Then copy the path to Gradle including bin folder. We need to add Gradle bin folder to the path variable. Right-click on this PC, then click Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Then click Environment Variables. Select Path and click Edit button. Add copied Gradle bin folder path. Press OK. Be careful with the path variable, don't delete or change other variables. Click OK. Click or close the dialog. Now we need to check that Gradle was installed correctly. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time, type CMD and click the Enter key or click the OK button. Note, we cannot use the previously open command window since it doesn't contain the latest path updates. Then type Gradle, space, dash, and v. Check that version corresponds to the installed one. We did it. Gradle was installed. See you in next videos. If any questions, ask me in comments.